Hi friends, welcome back to Don Guinness Kitchen with my love. Still chilling. Alright, so we are cooking something Filipino tonight, and that is adobo. Alright, but this time adobo is a little bit personalized because I included some of the ingredients that is available in our kitchen. Okay, without further ado, let's do this. And I'll introduce to there's my number one find. Alright, so to start with, of course, our oil, about 2 tablespoons. Sugar for later, about 2 tablespoons also. Vinegar, so we're gonna use 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic, and 4 pieces of shallots. I use local ingredients, so it's easier for you to find. 10 to 20 grams of ginger, butter, chicken liver, around 200 grams, and 9 pieces of chicken. So it's a mixture of thigh, legs, and wings. So we have pepper, bay leaves, salt, of course. So special additional ingredients, we have bell pepper, mushroom, and potato, the baby potato. And I might boil some eggs and put it in. So let's go, let's cook. Okay friends, let's begin. To start up, of course, switch on your stove, put in around 2 tablespoons of oil, spread it out, and wait a little bit to be hot. Put your butter. So here's the butter. So there are so many ways to cook adobo, but this particular adobo is my childhood recipe from my mom. Shout out to Mama Jenny. And as I said, I will put on additional ingredients that is available in our kitchen. So if you have leftover mushroom, baby potato, you can put it in. You can also put in eggs later. I will boil an egg and put it in. This time I want my adobo to be in a sweet side, so I'll put in the shallots first. A little bit translucent, and then put in your garlic. Alright. Wait for the garlic to be golden brown in color, and then put in your chicken skin side down. So allow it to cook. I want my chicken to be a little bit golden brown, just like fried chicken, because I think it adds more flavor rather than not frying it. So yeah. While I wait for the chicken to be cooked, I forgot to slice my liver, so I'm gonna do it right now. Dice my liver on the side. The way I prepared the liver is that I boil it first, put some salt and ginger to get rid of those unpleasant taste and smell. For me to flip the chicken. You may want to stir it a little bit to avoid burning your garlic and onion. Okay, put in the ginger on the side. It smells good here. Don't forget to season your food. And you may want to put the potato because it's hard to cook potato. You may want to fry it a little bit. And the smell, my love?
Yeah. That's so good. What are you cooking?
Adobo. Dongina style adobo. Alright, so I'll start putting in the liver. Chicken liver. Okay. That's my wife. Who always. Alright. So if you feel that it's done, now this is the time to put in 1 cup of vinegar and 1 cup of soy sauce. And stir it. We are going to add water later, but let the vinegar and soy sauce flavor the chicken first. So wait for it to heat up. Wait for it to boil a little bit. Add in the bell peppers. I think I'll use half, so it's around 10 grams of bell pepper. And of course, we don't like to forget the bay leaves. So around 5 pieces of bay leaves. And a little bit of whole pepper. Okay, so of course, let's taste it. Let's taste it. You have a good balance of saltiness and sourness. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of water and let it simmer. Okay, I will put 1 tablespoon of sugar, and later on I will taste it if we need to put more. I checked my fridge and we have this inside. So we have cauliflower, mushroom, bell pepper, baby potato, sour gourd. I don't know if it will work, but I might not include the sour gourd because it doesn't make sense. A little bit of carrots. We have carrots. Alright, I'll prepare the carrots while waiting for the adobo to cook. So for the side dish later, I will just saute it in butter and that's it. Okay, this must be good. So let us check. So see, the flavor sinks in inside and it is full off the bone. That's how I like my adobo. And now, so delicious. Add in the mushroom and simmer for a little bit and it is done. Alright, see you! Okay, for our side dish, this will be quick. A little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, so we'll just stir fry the vegetables and put in the magic ingredients. Alright, so first of all, put in the potatoes because it takes more time to cook. I have this cup of soup. This is actually bachelor's cup of soup. I will just stir it in a cup of water. Alright. Put it in half. Perfect. It is done. Alright. Let me plate this for my wife and dinner is served. Okay, here it is. Plating the adobo and the stir-fried veggies. A little bit of veggies on the side. Serve it. Okay, we're here. Here's my wife. Hi, love. Here's our food.
Wow.
And here's your favorite adobo. Enjoy. I'll join you later.
Let me try.
How does it smell, love?
It's hard. It's your adobo. It's very interesting. Let me taste your adobo.
Actually, that is our comfort food. Whenever we're stressed, we just cook adobo. And that's my wife's favorite.
Tastes really good, love. You're the best. Thank you.
Bye.